Let's continue to our second part, and in this part we're going to add a new activity and open the new activity when the button is clicked. We're also going to learn how we can pass data from one activity to the other activity. So to create a new activity, select Layout, New, Activities, and we are going to create an empty activity. I'm going to call it Dashboard. So we have Activity Dashboard, then Finish. As you can see in our layout, we have Activity Dashboard, and in our Java package, we have Dashboard Activity. So when we click the button, instead of posting a message, we are going to open the other activity. So we are going to say Start Activity, New Intent, Get Application Context, and then the class we are going to launch is our Dashboard Activity. So let's learn our project and see how it works. Installing, launching. So when we click, it opens another activity, which is now the dashboard activity. So we are going to learn how we can pass data from one activity to the other. So in our dashboard activity, we are going to have some text. I like using relative layout. Relative layout, let me have a text here. Text view. Can have lab content, text. We're going to say this is dashboard activity. You can center horizontal, and you can give it top margin 50. You can give it size 16 sp. You can even give it style bold. So we are going to add another text here, lab content. The text will be passed data. We are going to give it ID, data, TV data, and we are going to center horizontal, true, center vertical, true. So this text is going to display the past data, so we can even remove these one. So let's go to our dashboard activity. We have our text view, we define it here, past data, and you have a string that will get the past data. We can call it data. So let's find our text view. Past data is equal to find view by id r.id.tv data. Then we receive data from the other activity through intent get intent. If we check whether it is empty, intent dot get data not equal to null. Data equals to intent dot get string extra, and then we are going to know which string we are going to use. So let's pass our data here. We can see when you're starting this activity, put extra data. You can see the name, data, and the content will be from main activity. So the name will be data, So we're going to set this data to a text view, TV or pass data dot set text data. So let's learn our project and see what we are going to get. So when we click dashboard activity, our data didn't appear. Let's see why. Get string extra, we passed it by the name data. Value and the name dot put extra. So for now I can pass this check and see whether it's a check. So when you click, you're from main activity. So this check was the one interfering with our data. So instead of using that, we can just remove it. Okay, thank you for watching. In part 3, we are going to learn how we can be able to create a simple form, allow user to register, validate data, and when the user is registered, we are going to display the data in another activity.